Hello guys, welcome to our channel Technical Knowledge. Today I'm going to show you how to create a bulk user account in Active Directory. So we'll run the script and we'll see how the user account is creating in Active Directory. And the main concern of today topic is not how to create a bulk user. The main concern from the today topic is like when we run the script and we found like error. So from that error we supposed to not afraid from that error. We have to go through the error and we have to identify what is the best way to come over it and how to resolve it. So let's start the session and I will show you how to proceed further. So let's have a lab. So guys, before proceeding, I'll show my Active Directory servers and the setup. So give me a moment. So guys, you can see like I have my Active Directory domain name is technical.com and some OUs are there like users OU1, OU2, and there is no more users are in these OUs. You can see one user in first OU and the second user in second OU. So suppose whenever suppose new person is joining in your organization in your company, then you have to create their account in this Active Directory server in this server 2016 setup where we have a service called Active Directory, and you have to create a user account in this OUs, right? So suppose if your organization joining 100 people, 200 people, thousands of people, how you proceeding, how will you create the 200 user account in one spot? So creating one by one, it is a lengthy task, and nowadays everything is getting automated. Automation process are coming in everywhere. Technology are moving day by day. Automation is taking a place of everywhere. So we will see how means I have the script already and I will share this script in the description box. You can use this description in your, if it is required, if it is helpful, if helpful for you, you guys can also use it. I'll share the script, and the main person for today lab purpose is when we create a bulk user account, we'll see the error, and we are generally afraiding from the error. Whenever we see an error, we are afraid and we will move, we will escape, we'll try to escape, but this is not a correct process. We have to always go through the error, we have to read the error, and we have to find it the best way where we can sort it out. So let's start it. So guys, please first of all open your IAC, that is called PowerShell scripting process. So guys, you can see I have opened the ISC console, but before proceeding, I will show you just 1 minute for the scripting if you guys wanted to see. So this is the my general script which is for created for we can write it the code in PowerShell console also, but here I'm not going to write it because I already created my script earlier. So it is a pre-built script and you can also use it for your requirement. So guys, you too, you should have this script with you to whenever you create an account, and as well as you should have one CSV format Excel file where you will have the list of user accounts. Suppose uh, so guys, you can see like there I have user 3 and user 4. Why I'm giving user 3 and 4? Because I already have a user called user 1, user 2 in different OU. So if I create an same user here, it will show an error like users already exist. So it will also show you the error. But the thing is I'm going to show something different error. So let's start it. And as I said, you should have this Excel sheet and this script whenever you going to create an account. So let's run this. So guys, you can see I have two console open here, so I don't require two. Yeah. So guys, here you have to go it on the folder option, and here you have to open the file which is called bulk. I have created named as a bulk user account create. So I've created the same script which I shown you in Notepad. The same, it is same script. So it is a script, and it is mentioned here the path where I kept my CSV file, where my user account details are there, and the script is followed as you can find many sources where so many scripts are will be there. Different type of scripts will be there. So depend upon your required, you can use any script, but as per I worked and I found this script is useful for me, so I using this. And you guys also can use it. I will mention in the description box. So guys, you can see we'll run this and we'll see the error, and we have to go through the error. We supposed to not afraid from the red color error. We have to go through it and we have to sort it out. So let's run this script and see what is the error coming. It is running, guys. It is showing running script. So let's wait for 30 second or 1 minute hardly. So guys, you can see the error is came new user account password does not meet the length, complexity and history requirement of the domain. So guys, seeing the error, we are seeing the red color errors and we are afraid and we are moving away to instead of solving this. So we supposed to not afraid and we have to go through the error. So just study the error in proper way. The password does not meet the length and complexity history requirement of the domain. So it's very simple mention here that the password account, you can see the account password is mango. So generally, whenever you guys also will have idea, whenever you create any account, Facebook account, Insta or whatever banking account, they will not accept, they will not allow you to only enter a password which is single case letter. There should be one uppercase, one lowercase, and one alphanumeric, and one special character. So this is the requirement here, and which is not competing, so it's showing an error. So let's have a try and we'll see what is happening. So guys, you can see I have changed the password, that is required password. Let's run it and we'll see what whether it is allowing to create or not. So let's go ahead. So guys, you can see the yeah, as I said, I have already two user account is there, but I have mentioned the different user account there, but you can show the specified account already exists, it is showing. So we'll check whether this account has been created in the first attempt or not. Let's check it in the Active Directory server. So guys, as it is showing like the account has been already specified, accounts already exist, it is showing. So you can see the when we try to create a user 3 and user 4 account, it is got created, but the since it is not matched the password requirement, so it is in disable, the arrow it is showing which is in disable. So account has been created and it will not allow you to create the same user account. So we'll do one thing, we will change the username in the Excel sheet, or else you can if you want, I can delete it the same user account and I can use the same, but will not do the same. We will change the username in the Excel sheet. So guys, you can see the username is here, user 3 and user 4. We'll try to change it as user uh, 5, 5 and 6. So guys, I have changed the username in 5 as 6 as now. So we'll try now. So guys, I have changed it. So once again, let's run this script. So as per there, I have changed the user account and I have trying to compete the maximum password policy requirement. So let's run it now and we'll see what will happen. So it is running the script. You can see completed. So guys, I think this is completed this time and it is successfully created the account. Let's see now. So it is not showing here, don't worry, we will close it and we'll try to open the Active Directory services. So guys, you can see the user account 5 and the user account is 6 has been created successfully. So guys, so you have seen like we may get so many error and we may get so many challenges. So we suppose the my main concern for today topic is we supposed to not afraid from the error. We have to go through the error and we have to rectify it. So guys, if you feel this is a useful knowledge for you, please subscribe my channel and hit the like button. And guys, one more thing, if you guys facing any kind of challenges which is not in there my channel, any type of any kind of related to IT and admins part which is not in there my channel, I mean it is not there in channel, please do let me know in the description box. I will definitely try to get it solution for it and I will upload a video for the same also. So guys, thank you, have a great day.